Can Iraq pull out of its current chaos? And do you feel lucky enough to wager a guess? Well, there's a website that allows you to buy Iraqi dinars, which in many ways is a bet on the future of Iraq. Jeffy Pasquarella is founder of betoniraq.com. Jeff, it's a great name there. And betoniraq.com, how did you get the idea to start this site to bet on the Iraqi currency?
Well, I had been a coin and currency dealer, or collector for most of my life, and I happened to stumble across a Middle Eastern trader who was selling Iraqi dinars, and I figured if this was 1947, I'd want to buy the German Deutschmark or the Japanese yen, so I wanted some for myself and figured there'd probably be other people out there that would want it too.
And in fact, there have been. Over the past few years, you've had, what, 4,000 people trading
Nearly
them?
4,000 people have purchased from us, yeah.
And who are these people? I mean, are these people who are trying to make a patriotic bet? Are they actual traders?
No, they're very rarely actual traders. They're just average Americans who, most of them, it's hard to say because I only speak with a small percentage of people because it's an online business, but the general feeling that I get from talking to most people is that they know that they think of it as sort of offering an unsolicited loan to the Central Bank of Iraq with the hope of getting it back with interest someday, knowing that the money is going to be put to good use. Mm-hmm. There have been, over 20,000 new businesses started in Iraq since the fall of Saddam, and they know that giving that U.S. dollars in the Central Bank of Iraq is going to help.
And I know the Iraqi dinar, I mean, it's up about 12% since September. Obviously, it's very thinly traded. But you also have a business model here that can make you a lot of money. I mean, there are other sites out there where you can trade dinars. The bottom line is, though, you can charge 27 to 60% more than the actual trade value. So it's lucrative for you.
Well, it's not as lucrative as it appears because we don't get it. I certainly don't get it for the price that the Central Bank of Iraq has it for. It's got to be taken out of Iraq. We have our currency trader in Jordan. He has to be paid. And we pay all the shipping, and we always want to get the most perfect notes, too. We always get uncirculated notes. There are a lot of really bad notes out there. And when it comes time to trade in, I want our customers to know that they have good notes that the bank is going to accept back.
All right. Well, Jeff, it's a fascinating story. Thank you very much for sharing it with us.
Thank you very much, Erin.
And his website, betoniraq.com.